not you. Wait, you're not even watching. Hey, get over here. No, don't put that. Okay, look at the ball. Watch the ball. It's going to come up at you and then catch it. Huh. So, this isn't really your game. Here. You want to do it? Okay. Here it goes.
Can you give Maggie a hug?
Chase Maggie. Go after Maggie. Go get her. Go get Maggie. Was Dad back out there?
Let's see.
Go get Maggie.
Ready? Go.
Here, throw it. See if she'll go get it for you.